So this is my latest update on the application that I'm developing. I think I did a lot of work in this weekend. Mostly I want to get my version control set because initially what was happening was that I had a main branch on the remote GitHub repository. Beg my pardon, remote Git repository. But the uh, main branch was there because it is a default branch which is created when we initially create a GitHub project on uh, GitHub. So I had to try out a few commands in order to get that main branch deleted, and then I just had a master branch, and I then after that I started to proceed with my development. Next, my issue was with the Google login button. Okay, because this Google login button was not working properly. It was like it was the issue was. Let me show you the issue anyway. Okay, let me show you the issue. Let me like this is I am on the another branch, not on the main or the master branch. Let me go to my master branch. Okay, let me see what branch I am on right now. Basically, I'm on my Google button branch. I'll just move to my master branch. Okay, so now I have moved to my master branch. What happened? Okay, I did not commit my changes. So let me first commit my changes. So now just pushing the changes I've made because those changes were essential to the remote repository. After that, I'll again check which branch I own. Now I have successfully shifted to my master branch, and this local host is displaying the information of the master branch. So the issue was, let me see whether I can show it to you now. I'll open Microsoft Edge, then I'll open localhost there. This is showing now, right? Let me refresh this. See, now once if I refresh this Google button is not showing. So this was a recurrent issue. That's why I decided to refactor my entire code. Also, there was another issue. First, let me address this issue. That's why I wanted to refactor my code, and I refactored my code so that this sign in button, which is given by Google, uh, I have not initially I used a Google documentation to implement it here, but later I used a different React library to implement it. Okay, let me get back to my latest branch to show you what I've done. So this is my latest branch. Okay, so here you can also see the Google login button, and it is working properly. See, so it's signed in, I guess. Okay, so it is working properly, and also this the design is in sync with the other buttons that are there on the page. The other issue that I was facing was regarding uh, responsiveness. So the earlier page that I created was not responsive. The reason why I'm like making all the fundamental changes now, because I'm just developing my application, and if I don't make changes now, then later on I have to like work really hard to make all the changes. So I did three things basically, as I mentioned. Like fixed my version control, I fixed my Google login button, and now what I'll show you is that the way I like the I now I will show you that I have fixed my responsiveness also, because this application has to run on mobile as well, or any tab, so the application has to be responsive. So initially that was not the issue. Let me show you what was the problem initially. So if I uh, resize the window, you can clearly see that this is not working. This initial navigation bar is only covering half the page. This email password login is on the side somewhere, which is where it's not supposed to be. So these were the issues that facing. Now let me show you my latest version of the app in which I have fixed the issue. So now if you resize this, you see that it is getting properly resized. I mean, it is responsive. I've made a few changes so that it becomes responsive. Now even on mobile, it will look proper, just like a professional application. So these are the changes that I've made till now. For any further updates, I'll ping you later. Thank you. Have a great day.